Hallo daar. Welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did the bekendstellings, introductions in Afrikaans. This time we will delve into selfstandige naamwoorde, nouns in Afrikaans. Remember to subscribe if you enjoy the content. For early access to videos, worksheets and the answers, or just to support us, please visit our Patreon. Les 11. Selfstandige naamwoorde. Nouns. In this lesson we will go over the 6 different Afrikaans noun types. For each type we will show a few examples. Furthermore, we will also deal with some nouns that are outliers. A noun or selfstandige naamwoord is a word or phrase that refers to a person, place, thing, event, object or quality. There are 3 ways by which selfstandige naamwoorde are identified. The first and most important one is plural, meervoud. The second is verkleining. Both are affixes that can be added to selfstandige naamwoorde. Meervoud indicating plural and verkleining indicating reduction, to make it smaller. The final identifying feature it can have is an article, a lidwoord. All 3 these features will be discussed in more detail in future lessons. Let's now look at our first kind of selfstandige naamwoord. Eerste soort selfstandige naamwoord. Eienaam. Eiename are the names of places, people and products. For example, Piet Nel, Pretoria, Nando's. It is important to note that just as in English, eiename always have a capital letter, a hoofletter. Tweede soort, second kind. Soortnaam. Soortname are things in the real world. These are the majority of selfstandige naamwoorde. They always have a meervoud and verkleiningsvorm. For example, bank, hond, katte, hemp, berge, and so forth. Derde soort, third kind. Versamelnaam. Versamelname are connected with soortname, as versamelname indicate a group of soortname. Let's see an example. Baie. Baie is a soortnaam. A swermbaie. Swerm is the versamelnaam. Nog voorbeelde? 'n bos blomme. Of 'n stapel boeke. Vierde soort, fourth kind. Abstrakte selfstandige naamwoorde. Abstrakte selfstandige naamwoorde are names for things that cannot physically be touched. These names still need an article, lidwoord. Usually these are ideas and feelings. For example, liefde, jaloezie, blydskap. Vyfde soort, fifth kind. Maatname indicate an amount. It is also tied with other soortname. Some examples: a box perskes, a emmer melk, a kilogram meel. Zesde soort, sixth kind. Massanaam, sometimes also called Stofnaam. Massanaam are names of elements and substances. Massanaam are different as they cannot be counted. Therefore, they have no plural, meervoud, meervoud. For example, suiker, suiker, geld, geld, goud, goud, sand, sand. There we have the 6 kinds of selfstandige naamwoorde. Let's look at some outlier types that don't follow the normal rules. We have already gone over one, which is Massanaam. They are different because they are pluralless nouns, meervoudlose selfstandige naamwoorde, meervoudlose selfstandige naamwoorde. At the opposite end of that, we also find singularless nouns, enkelvoudlose selfstandige naamwoorde, enkelvoudlose selfstandige naamwoorde. There aren't a lot of words like this. Let's look at some examples. Vimmies, vimmies, hurke, hurke, masels, masels, watte, watte. There we have the selfstandige naamwoord, the 6 kinds and other outliers. There's much more to be said about selfstandige naamwoorde, such as verkleining, meervoud en geslag, but these will all have their own video. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the nouns, selfstandige naamwoorde. Next time we will be covering professions, beroepe. If you wish to test yourself about today's episode, you can visit our Patreon for the worksheets with the answers. Early access to videos is also available on the Patreon. To better learn, make sure to watch this video again. Baie dankie. In order to help our channel, you can like this video, share and subscribe. Any feedback or questions can be commented below. Bye.